Good afternoon, class. So today we're looking at exercise 3 and some challenges. No? So we're wrapping up the grade 9 probability. Right, exercise 3. We are told that a wooden cube has each of its 6 faces painted one of the following numbers. So it's not the normal numbers that we are familiar with, which is 1 to 6. We have 2, 4, 4, 4, 6 and 6. So we have 1, 2, 3 4s and 2 6s. Okay? The wooden cube is rolled twice. Okay, so the wooden what's name is rolled twice. Find the probability that the fraction on the given. Okay, so we are told that the wooden cube is rolled twice. Fill in the probability fraction on the given tree diagram. So there's 1, 2 out of 6 options. Not so. How many 4s are there? 3 out of 6. And how many 6s are there? 2 out of 6. And of course, 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 is 6 over 6. And 6 over 6 gives me an answer of 1. Okay. You all with me? Right. So on your second toss, remember this is your first toss. Yes? Sorry? 318. 318. Alright, so again we have 2, 4, 6. The options are 2, 4, 6. So this is my first throw. Not so? On the second throw, what would it be? For my second roll. How many 2s are there? Still 1 out of 6. Not so? How many 4s are there? Still 3 6. And how many 6s are there? 2 6. If you throw 4 on the first throw, how many? What's your probability of 2 on your second throw? Still 1 out of 6. 4s? Still 3 out of 6. 6? 2 out of 6. And so on. Okay. And the next question. Determine the probability of getting Determine the probability of getting 2 followed by a 4. So you got 2 followed by a 4. What would it be? 1 out of 6 on the first row times 3 out of 6 on the second row. So 1 out of 6 times a half, which is 1 over 12. Okay. Number 2. Getting a 4 followed by a 4. So a 4 followed by a 4. So it's going to be 3 out of 6 times 3 out of 6, which is a quarter. Okay. Any confusion there? Right, the next one. I'm now told you tell the probability of getting a 6 and a 2 in any order. So I can go with first 6, which is so it's basically the probability of a 6 and a 2, or a 2 then a 6. You all agree with that? Because they're any order. So this should simply be probability 12 plus that of 6, which is 2 out of 6, times the probability of a 2, which is 1 out of 6. plus the probability of a 2, which is 1 out of 6, times the probability of a 6, which is 2 out of 6. Okay. So it will be 2 over 6 times 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 times 2 over 6. Is it 1 over 9? Okay. Why did I write a 6 here? Number 3. Number 4. Getting at least 1, 2 in both rows. At least 1, 2. So what does that mean? I could get the probability of a 2 and then a 6 plus the probability of a 2 and a 4 plus the probability of a 2 and a 2. Not so? Then we can have the plus the probability of a 3 and a 2. So if we go 3 and 2, there's no other way I can get the 2 starting with the 3. As well as the probability of a 6 and a 2. It says getting at least 1, 2 in both rows. So you at least 1, 2, so you can have 2 2s. You guys understand? Any confusion there? Yes. Okay, so let's go again. Let's take this off here. Okay. So remember, what is my outcomes here? Okay. What are my outcomes? Can be a 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Not so. Then it could be a 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6. Could be a 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6. So I go with the condition they're looking at. The condition says it must be at least 1, 2. So can I have 2 2s? Yes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 that satisfy that condition. There's the 5. 2, 6, 2, 4, 2, 2. 4, 2. Huh. Don't have 4, 2. Well, what did I write? 3, 2. Suppose there have been a 4. Is that why you're asking where the 3 come from? Yeah, thank you. Okay. I thought you don't understand this. But thank you, you're right. Any other confusion? Alright. So what do I get, people? Probability of 2, 6. So it'll be 1 out of 6 times 1 out of 6 times 1 out of 6 plus 1 out of 6 times 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6 times 2 over 6 plus 4, 2. So it'll be 3 over 6 times 2, which is 1 out of 6, plus 2 over 6 times. You get 1 over 6 times 1 over 6, 1 over 6 squared, plus 1 over 6 times 3 over 6, plus 1 over 6 times 2 over 6. That's going to give me an answer of 1 over 6. It should be. Right. If you knew that, you could have just written 1 over 6 plus 3 over 6 times 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6 times 1/6. Give you an answer, we give it away. Okay. Is that correct? Any confusion there, people? No? Number 4. Number 4, we are told that it is winter in Cape Town. Indeed it is. The probability that there will be rain tomorrow, if the probability that there will be rain tomorrow is 0,7, and the probability that it will rain tomorrow, if it is clear today, 0,4. If the probability that there will be rain tomorrow, if it rains today. Okay. So it will rain today, so this is today. Okay? Rain and not rain. Okay, so if the probability that there will be rain tomorrow, if it rains today, if it rains today, is 0,7. So what's the probability that it will not rain if it rains? 0,3. If it's clear today, which means to say no rain, probability for rain tomorrow is clear today. Okay, rain and no rain. 0,4 and then no rain, 0,6. If it is raining on Sunday, where do we start? Exactly. Jesus. Which is raining on Sunday. So this is Sunday. Okay. If it rains on Sunday, so then this branch doesn't then exist. Okay, because it is raining on Sunday. So that one is gone. If it rains on Sunday, what's the probability that it will rain on Tuesday? So if it rains on Sunday, then this is Monday. Yeah? Okay. So if it rains on Monday, then on Tuesday, rain and no rain. Okay, so put this down. Okay. Okay. So if it rains on Monday, on Tuesday, yes.
Sunday in the diagram in the memo starts at the beginning, where it's 1 in the first branch.
1. No, that's just one branch. So it will still be 1. There's no, what's the name on that? No probability. So I'm not going to get anything from this branch. Yeah, it's the same. That's why I eliminated this. That's why I'm not putting anything there. Okay? So this is actually not here, in other words. No? Am I right so far? Let me see. I think I'm on the right track. I just want to put the wrong value down. 0.7. Yes, it's the same. This is the. You'll see I'll get the same answer. Because this is non-existent and you won't see this on the memo. No? So if it rains, what's the probability it will rain the next day? 0,7. And then 0,3. And then if it does not rain, it will be 0,4 and 0,6. Okay. I want to know what's the probability that it will rain on Tuesday? Now, no condition is given with regard to Sunday or Monday. So my outcomes here is going to be rain, 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 no rain, no rain, rain, no rain, no rain. Remember, this is the outcome for Tuesday. So, there's a probability that it will rain on Tuesday. So it could be rain, rain, no rain, rain. Those are the two combinations I can consider. So the probability will simply be rain, rain, 0.7 times 0.7 plus no rain, which is 0.3 times 0.4. What's the answer there? 0.3 times 0.4. 0.61. It's the same answer. Okay. There was a similar question to this in 2 years ago, matric final paper. Same idea was tested. Okay. I'm not going to ask any confusion. This probably is. You guys can just work through it again. Okay. The revision exercise? This is part of it. Huh?
This is the next. It's a separate things.
Okay, so we'll do the revision exercise in a separate video. And some challenges with the revision exercise. Okay.